Welcome to our tutorial about using the Move tool in Inventor Fusion. In previous lessons, we've already used this tool. Let's activate it now. It's on the Home tab, Solid Panel, left-click, and let's select this face. Fusion interprets my request intelligently. The directions where movement is possible are indicated with bright colors. The directions where movement isn't possible are grayed out. As you remember, I can grab and drag the face also, and I can rotate the face as well. When the rotation option is selected, I can click an empty space, and now we see the rotation angle right here. Let's reselect the handle. Now let me show you how to set up a new anchor. Let's click on this arrow and select Re-Anchor. And for example, we can choose this face. Another tool we have here is the Measure tool. Let me select this edge. I see that it's 30 millimeters. So I'm going to select it. And now my face moves 30 millimeters from this face. We've also got the ability to reorient the triad. I can select this edge here. And when you're done, click Finish Reorient. Let me cancel out and restart the tool. This time, I'll select this edge. Now let's see what happens. I can also grab a face and move it in the planar direction. Let's cancel out and restart the Move tool. I'll select this edge and Shift select these edges here. Now watch what happens now. I'm able to move these four edges. However, the circle in the center stays put. So as a result, I've deformed my top face, and this isn't what I want. Let's cancel out of this move operation, reactivate the tool, and now I'll select this circular edge. Watch what happens. If I try to move, I get an error message. When I click on it, I see what's wrong. Tweak edge operation failed. Basically, the geometry is too complex for Fusion to calculate. Let's try it again. I'll select these four faces, deselect this one, and activate the tool. And let's move our extrusion. Notice that because I didn't select the hole in the middle, it stays put. And this concludes our tutorial about using the Move tool in Inventor Fusion.